Hello, this is Shar from the Real Kitchen for Real People. I have a quick, delicious recipe for you today. I hope everyone is doing fine and staying safe. First thing we want to do, this is going to be Shar's Hash Brown Casserole. Not Cracker Barrels, but Shar's. So I'm going to show you what I've mixed together. It's real quick and it's delicious. First, turn on your oven to 350. Okay, let it be preheating. Then you want to spray your casserole dish with Pam or whatever a baking spray you want to make sure it don't stick. Okay, I set that aside. So in this bowl, get your large bowl. I've included a can of cream of chicken, a pint of sour cream, a bag, whole bag, the 30-ounce bag of shredded hash brown potatoes, or you can use any brand you want, but I use a Rita, or you can even shred your own potatoes, whatever you want to do. And you use kosher salt, probably about a half a teaspoon of kosher salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I said the butter, okay, about a half a cup of melted butter, and about a half a cup of chopped onions and one jalapeno pepper. Okay, now the cheeses that I use, you use 2 cups of your favorite cheese, but the cheese that Shar uses is the extra sharp cheddar cheese and the pepper jack cheese. So I just use 1 cup of each in my casserole. So I've got all that mixed in the bowl, and we just want to stir it all up. Stir it up real good. Get your big old spoon because you're going to need it. And just make sure it's mixed really well, especially all those seasons and delicious taste to get on all the potatoes. So mix it up really well. I'm going to add a little more black pepper to mine, because I like to kind of at least see the pepper in there. Okay. Okay, now I've mixed all this up, and you can kind of see the consistency of it. It's all mixed up there together. Okay. And just remember, this is the one that everybody likes at Cracker Barrel, that hash brown casserole, but it's my spin on it. And my spin is adding jalapeno peppers and different cheeses. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my casserole dish and spread it around in there. So just dump it in there. And you can also add bacon in there if you want, cooked bacon, just the crumbled bacon in there. You can just kind of get real creative with this dish. You know, you can put tomatoes or, I mean, whatever you want, olives. And you can just do whatever you want with it. Just kind of be creative when you cook. That's how you come up with different ideas in your likes and not likes. Then just spread that around in your dish evenly. Okay. You see how that looks? Beautiful. Get all that goodies off there. Of course, my hands are clean always when you're in the kitchen. Clean your hands constantly. Okay. And now, what I want to do, okay, to give it an extra kick there, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of shredded cheese on the top. I want it to be really cheesy. Let me just put that on the top like that. Okay. And then I want to garnish it a little bit with parsley. Just a little bit, just to make it not look so pale. I would say that'd be about a teaspoon of parsley. Okay, and then it's ready for the oven. That's a simple, delicious dish. So I'll cook this for about an hour. It's 45 minutes to an hour. Till you see a light, it'll be crusted around there. The edges, it'll be brown crusted. Okay, and I'll bring it back when it's time to plate. Okay, while my casserole is cooking, I just wanted to share you some tips and ideas and reminder that while your stuff is cooking, you always clean up while your dish is cooking. That's what I'm doing now, so that it won't be so stressful when you get ready to serve your meal, especially if you got small space to work with. I also wanted to say that when making this dish, if an oven is not available for you, like I know a lot of people are traveling in their RVs on the road and living out of those, which is fantastic. You can also just brown your hash browns on top of the stove and then add the other ingredients to it and just let it simmer and cook that way. I'm sure you'll get that same delicious outcome. But I did want to share that with you. So in the meantime, we'll just sit and wait. And be sure while we're waiting to hit that subscribe button. And if you'll like it, so when it's done, be sure to hit the like button as well. But hit the subscribe button, that way you'll get my recipes as they come out. I'm sorry I've just been a little bit behind on posting because I had a death in the family. So be patient with me as I add new recipes to this channel that I know you will love. So with that being said, I'll just wait on my casserole to cook and get through cleaning up my kitchen, and you do the same. I'll be back. Now, this is our final product, our Char's Hash Brown Casserole. And it cooked for an hour. I let mine cook for an hour, and as you can see, it's nice and brown. And it's going to be delicious. And it's going to be used as a side for our dinner today. So I'm going to try it out here. Don't that look delicious? And we're having it along with my skinless fried chicken, my homemade rolls, my mustard greens, and steamed squash. And you'll be able to see the link below for my skinless chicken. And then in the future, this is so you'll come back to me, I'll have my homemade dinner rolls as well. So we're going to try this. This is our dinner today. We're going to try it. I'm going to have my tester see what it tastes like. And in the meantime, would you please hit the subscribe button and also hit the comment, like, and share button. And all of those buttons are free, so it don't cost you anything. But the benefit is that you will be able to automatically receive the next recipe. So it'll just pop up on your phone or tablet or computer or whatever you're looking at. And we'll let you know what this tastes like here in a minute. Okay, see you later. Love, love. Wait, move your hand. Okay, now we're at the table and my taster is getting ready to taste his hash brown casserole. Looked like he chopped a few little green onions on top.
Better than Cracker Barrel.
Delicious.
Delicious.